If you want your eyelashes to look like this without mascara and like this with mascara on, you gotta apply your lash serum correctly, because I see a lot of people just doing this. Okay, this is not the vibe. You really want to get into the root and in between the hairs. So what I recommend you do is basically do it in the opposite direction. It does such a massive difference. So just apply it like so. Always towards your nose. Same thing on this side, always towards your nose, and just watch your eyelashes grow. My favorite lash serum for like more than a year now is obviously the one from Lash Therapy Australia. Another tip is find a way to remove your mascara which does not tug and pull on your lashes. I have done multiple tutorials on what I do. And also get a good tubing mascara for everyday use, because basically it prevents all the damage and it just comes off easily. The one I like is from Lash Therapy Australia because it has the eyelash growth serum in it, but any tubing mascara will do. Follow for more quick and easy tips.